Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Bodmas. In the previous video, we introduced a number of examples to show how we approach the order of operations when doing calculations. In this video, the acronym Bodmas shows us a very neat and easy way to remember what needs to be done. It is an excellent summary of all that was presented in the last video. Also, it shows us what to do when brackets are involved. So what does Bodmas mean? B stands for brackets. O stands for of. It's just the letter we've put in there just so we can help form the word. D stands for division. M is multiplication. A is addition. And S is subtraction. Now, let us use some examples to see how Bodmas is so helpful. Example 1, 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5. Now, Bodmas tells us that we do multiplication first, followed by addition, because M appears first in Bodmas. See M there? That appears first. Then addition is after. So, if we do the multiplication first, 4 times 5 gives us 20, and then we have 3 plus 20 equals 23. Example 2, 3 minus 6 times 2 plus 4. Multiplication first, then addition and subtraction from left to right. So when only addition and subtraction are left, we work from left to right, as we saw in the last video. But the important thing is, we have to do multiplication first, because M occurs before addition and subtraction. So if we do that part first, that gives us this 12. Now we work from left to right. 30 take away 12 gives us 18. 18 plus 4 gives us 22. Example 3, this calculation here, we've introduced brackets now. We also have division, some subtraction and addition. So, Bodmas tells us that we do brackets first, followed by division, then perform addition and subtraction from left to right. So let's do the brackets first. So 8 plus 4 gives you your 12. Then we have 12 divided by 2. That gives us 6. Now that's what's left, so we just go from left to right. 6 take away 5 gives us 1. And 1 plus 4 gives us 5. We'll have a look at the next slide. This is quite a long example here where we have all the operations. Again, Bodmas tells us that we do brackets first, then we have to do division and multiplication. When we are left with addition and subtraction, we work from left to right. So let's go slowly. 3 plus 2, that gives you 5. So that's our first bracket that we've worked out. Then we look at the next bracket. The 5 minus 3, that gives us 2. Now we have this line here. Now we look at the division. 45 divided by 5, that gives us 9. 4 times 5, there, that gives us the 20. So now we have addition and subtraction, so we work from left to right. 9 plus 20 gives us 29. 29 take away 2 gives us 27. Now here is a very, very important note. It is crucial to follow the guidelines as they are presented by Bodmas. There are many examples appearing on the internet that ignore these guidelines. Mathematical experts around the world have agreed with the convention that is outlined by Bodmas. Please do not be tempted to ignore these guidelines. So this video has continued with order of operations, and we've used the acronym Bodmas to show us the correct order, and also that we must use the brackets first. So anything that appear in the brackets have to be calculated first because of the letter B.